right, let's kick it up. I thought you said Mediterranean. Okay, let's just do it. I'm just gonna be your helper. I'm your, what is it called? Your sous chef. Is that what it is?
Sure.
Okay. You tell me what I have to do for you.
Well, that's why I wanted to tell you everything we were doing so we could just do it together. Because you always complain that I do all the cooking and then you don't get to do anything.
No, baby, let's do it together. He chops so good. Like,
No, I don't. I just messed up twice.
did you? Because you're going so, you're over here like,
Okay, I'll slow down.
and I'm like,
I'll slow
trying
down.
to make sure I don't cut my fingers.
You're not gonna like it though.
What am I not gonna like? I know. He is so into Peso Pluma right now. I have nothing against the guy, but I just, good God, it was always a bachata, salsa. Now all of a sudden it's Peso Pluma.
Orange juice, lemon juice, and then we'll go from there.
Whoa, is this an orange or is this a blood orange?
That's an orange. You bought those.
Why is it so red?
What's that?
Look at that. Look at how juicy that is. Oh, good. Ways, babe. You gotta try this here. That's good. I'm surprised it's so red.
See?
That was juicy.
What?
I just love watching you like be in your zone. So sexy. I love how this is like a super fast one too. You always pick like really fast dishes to make. But somehow we still end up eating at 9, 10 o'clock. I don't fucking get it. My mom calls and she's like, ¿qué estás haciendo? Apenas voy a comer. ¿Cómo? Si son las 10 de la noche. No sé, mami, con él siempre pasa esto.
Can you save me a little bit of the lemon juice? Did you do 2 lemons in that little salad?
Babe, you told me to do both.
Hasta madre.
It's all good, look right here. I will squeeze it out from here. Let me put it like this.
No, it's for here.
All right. Ooh. Oh. Wow, this one was juicy. It's like if nothing came out.
Actually, a lot came out. All the seeds.
What did I give you? That you were like, oh my God, this is so good. And you're like,
I don't
there's
know.
a lime in here, lime seed in there. I was like, I'm so sorry. I can't be perfect. I'm already perfect in other areas.
Hey.
And this is what typically happens. I start getting carried away with eating the produce, and then he continues cooking.
Hey. That's good. Yep. Dale all those ingredients.
Also, now you put me to work. Okay.
Yeah, you should do something.
I always do something. What do you mean? Oh no! Oh no, I caught it. Woohoo! Oh my God, it is so hot, Kenny. How the hell did you just? Hot. Kenny, it's hot. Oh my God. All right, try it. See if it's any good. I feel like some people may not like arugula. So what can they use if they don't like arugula?
Any salad. Romaine lettuce is easy.
This man knows how to cook. Okay.